Hi, I'm Toby from AllFreeKnitting, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the knit stitch. So to do the knit stitch, what you're going to do is place your needle that has your cast on stitches in your non-dominant hand. Your other needle will be your working needle, and you'll place that in your dominant hand. To do the knit stitch, all you'll do is take your working needle and place it into this first loop here from the back, and create an X with the needle underneath this needle that has your cast on stitches. Then hold both needles with your non-dominant hand, and with your dominant hand take the working yarn that's attached to your skein and wrap it counterclockwise towards you, so like that, around your working needle, and pull it tight. The next thing you'll do is take your working needle and bring it to the top of your other needle, tighten it a little bit, and the last thing you have to do to complete your stitch is sweep this stitch off of your needle, and you're done. So I'll show you that one more time. You will insert your working needle into this first stitch here to create an X underneath your needle that has the cast on stitches. Take your working yarn, wrap it counterclockwise around your working needle, then bring the working needle up to the top and sweep off the stitch. So in underneath the stitch, create an X, wrap the yarn counterclockwise, bring it to the top, and sweep it off. And you'll just do that until the end of your row, and that's how you do the knit stitch. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the other ones in this playlist for our free knitting class.